Clingy dogs might be annoying, but they sure are cute.
We're not friends anymore. You gotta have a permit for that.
Found the best seat in the house.
What are we doing?
This man's caught in a lab tornado. Just two bros trying to watch TV in peace.
Can we watch TV, please, please?
You're not supposed to work on play hours. This pit bull is tired of the betrayal.
Oh my God, bro.
Talk about his happy place.
Morning into the afternoon, it quickly came down. We did get a coating in some areas.